enough to do with kids and pets and projects and visitors and everything else. So why not worry about one less thing? The Bissell CleanView vacuum with one pass makes cleaning fast and simple. Powerful suction and an innovative brush roll get that dirt the first time with one clean pass. And the CleanView dirt bin shows you the proof. The CleanView is lightweight and easy to carry, and so maneuverable you can get to all those hard-to-reach messes. And the CleanView vacuum has other convenient features that make it even more effective, like built-in premium hose attachments for quick and handy cleaning anywhere. And cleanup is easy. The bottom empty dirt cup is built big, so you don't need to empty it every 10 seconds. You can manage cleaning on your own time with the washable pre-motor filter. Just follow simple directions to keep it clean to maximize performance and save you money. Bissell CleanView with one pass. You're in, you're out, you're clean, you're done.
Say goodbye to your broom and dustpan with the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum. You know how pet messes can end up: along baseboards, around the litter box, and especially around food bowls. With the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum, you can vacuum along edges and corners where pet hair, food, and litter tend to collect without any of the usual frustration. Some stick vacuums aren't designed to or lack the power to pick up large bits of debris, and they don't clean all the way to the edge. But the innovative suction technology of the PowerEdge Pet funnels large debris into the powerful central suction path, while the ends of the V capture dirt along the edges. Rubber-like material on the bottom of the foot attracts pet hair, and powerful suction prevents it from escaping into other areas around the house. It's lightweight, versatile, and easy to use. Best of all, it is ready to go whenever you need it, helping to keep your home in order. So if you're fond of pets, but not of the cleanup, the Bissell PowerEdge Pet Hard Floor Vacuum has you covered, edge to edge. Bissell, we mean clean.
Getting your home floor to ceiling clean. It's a great companion to the lightweight bagged upright and is ideal for cleaning hard surface floors, furniture, auto interiors, and other above-floor cleaning jobs around the house. There's a flexible stretch hose with an extendable wand and a set of onboard tool attachments that include a 2-in-1 tool that's both a dusting brush and upholstery nozzle, crevice tool, and hard floor tool. It also has a shoulder strap and a built-in carry handle for easy transport and operation. Inside, there's a HEPA media bag that is easy to remove and replace. HEPA traps 99.97% of dust, dirt, and pollens for cleaner air. It also comes with a 25-foot wraparound power cord and takes up very little storage space. Now you can remove more dirt from your carpet with a lightweight bagged upright from Hoover and the companion portable canister vacuum designed to get your home floor to ceiling clean. Lightweight convenience, best-in-class cleaning performance, HEPA media, and Hoover's best 6-year limited warranty. Achieve the deep clean you desire with the lightweight bagged upright from the beautifully designed Hoover Platinum Collection.
DC41 Animal Complete automatically adjusts for optimal contact on every floor type, maintaining suction even on hard floors, and there are no fiddly dials to adjust. Dyson Cyclone technology captures more dirt and microscopic dust than any other. Radial root cyclone technology maximizes suction power. Vortex fingers guide air out of the cyclones, reducing turbulence. Lifetime filters trap allergens and cleaner air is expelled from the machine. DC41 Animal Complete has the latest ball technology. Essential components have been engineered to fit inside the ball, creating a low center of gravity. It steers smoothly and turns on a dime, maneuvering around obstacles into difficult places and along edges with ease. Additional tools designed by Dyson engineers attach to the wand for removing dust, dirt, and hair from awkward places. The tangle-free turbine tool removes hair without tangling. Its heads are positioned so the brushes reach to the front and sides of the tool, drawing in hair and dirt from all directions. DC41 Animal Complete comes with an exclusive tool bag containing a multi-angle brush, a stiff bristle brush, a soft dusting brush, and Zorb cleaning powder. It's lightweight but robust and comes with a 5-year warranty. And it's easy to empty with no bags to buy.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.
With just a few parts and no tools required, your Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is so easy to assemble. First, take your portable lift-away canister. Go ahead and line up the back of the unit with the back of the motorized floor brush and push down until you hear it click into place. Next, take your extension wand. These two wings on the back align with the back of the canister. Go ahead and line those up, push down until it clicks into place. Next, take your accessory holder. Your accessory holder has a groove on the back of this that lines up with a tab on the back of the extension wand. Go ahead and push that down all the way. Next, take your handle with stretch hose. Go ahead and put that handle over the top of your extension wand. Push down again until you hear it click into place. Go ahead and take your stretch hose, attach it to the back of the canister, lining up those tabs into the grooves. Next, Go ahead and attach your accessories. Take your dusting brush, push that onto the top of the post. Take your crevice tool, go ahead and push up on the bottom post. Now you're all set, plug in, and you're ready to start vacuuming.